welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I'm back after 2 years and I've been on here because I got like a job, so then I didn't have time for YouTube, but I guess I should make time. My hair is different, natural. But today we're gonna just be reacting to one of the cut videos and check your date with one press of a button. Well, let's get right into it.
This is going really well. Yeah. Welcome to the button, the speed dating show. When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of here.
If 2 people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all-expenses paid second date.
This is the button.
How you doing? Drew, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Wow. How are you?
I'm good. Is this awkward for you?
Yeah, I feel like I don't really know how to start, but...
Do you want kids?
Who, either of us? Do I want kids? I don't want kids for like 10 years. What about you?
I want kids. Like the family's like the goal at the end of the day.
Damn. Okay. It's okay.
Why did you press my button?
This is awkward as hell. I just don't think it was there. Hello.
How's it going?
Hi.
Well, I can say about that is I'm with her, the girl with the blonde and pink hair. I don't want kids either, so I probably would have pressed the button too, but she was too slow. So yeah, all right.
I'm Julia. You have a great smile.
Thanks. I appreciate that.
Did you kill that leopard?
Did you?
Don't call me a poacher, but I might have.
Oh, Tyler Creator once said, "Don't trust a woman with fake leopard."
Okay, this is going really well. Yeah. See you on Bumble.
Sorry.
Why did you reject her?
I didn't like her outfit. How are you?
Damn.
You talking bad about me in the back? Oh, that's cool. I like the top. That's a nice flannel.
Okay, well tell me about yourself. What makes you so good?
Not so much that I'm so good. I just like everybody should know what they like, but I feel like we shouldn't waste each other's time.
Okay, so what do you not like about me?
That's a very hard question. What do you not like about me? At first glance, what do you like?
Oh, glance only? Okay, the hat. What
like
the
the
heck
hat?
is that?
It's cool. It's affordable.
Wait a minute. So when she said that hat, what the heck is that? That was just kind of cringy. I ain't gonna lie. That was a little cringy. Really? Okay, but she pressed the button, so.
Sorry,
Pleasure.
Andrew. Why did you reject him?
I didn't like his attitude. What's your name?
Dang.
My name's
wow.
Taylor. What's your name?
I'm Nicole.
A furry.
Hi, Nicole. So what kind of hobbies do you do?
I have an aquarium, a 55-gallon aquarium.
Oh, what? That's wicked.
Nicole, are you not going to address the elephant in the room?
What elephant?
So, I am a furry.
What is a furry?
The way that I describe it is a fascination or an interest of animals doing human things.
Is it a sex thing?
It is definitely not just a sex thing.
Not
If you're,
just a sex
it's not.
Have you had sex wearing that?
Oh, right. Because I've beaten you.
I knew it was coming. I knew.
I'm sorry.
Furry was quite a gentleman.
He was really nice, but yeah, I'm just not into that.
I'm too.
I'm Nicole.
Nice to meet you.
No. Shoot, what if she... what if she pressed it because he was black? Oops. Sorry, I'll go home.
So you're on a date? Patrick, why did you press me?
She was from my cat. Hi. I'm Patrick.
Patrick? Okay,
Well.
Jade. I have a question. Are you the type of person to tell someone when there's something in the tea?
Probably, yes.
Yeah? There's something in the tea?
I don't see. Yeah.
Jay, why did you reject him?
I think he was very soft-spoken. I'm Jade.
Jane, I'm
Well,
Joel.
damn.
Jade with a D.
Jade with a D. I love that. So tell me about yourself.
Well, about me. I really like to dance.
Prove it.
Nice meeting you.
She's so fun. Why did you reject her?
The dance moves just weren't it for me.
Well,
My
she
name's
said she
Joel
was
Tran.
joking.
Is he? I love your shirt. Like, what's it? What's the inspiration behind it?
I thrifted it and it was cute.
I love thrift shops.
Great. Like, which one's your favorite? Do you have any?
There's one in. I forgot the name. I should. It's like. It's green. I forgot. Yeah, I don't know.
Joel is a good Christian boy.
You're a good Christian boy.
I can't be.
Why did you reject him?
He's a good Christian boy.
Is that a problem?
Absolutely. Izzy, I love your jewelry.
Appreciate you. Love the earrings.
Thank you.
Do you guys find each other pretty?
Pretty. You are pretty.
You're pretty too. I love your skin. It's like glowing. You're like,
Love that.
radiant.
Are you into each other? Something happening here?
Conversations happening.
I know. I don't really know yet.
Yeah.
What's your sign?
I'm a Capricorn.
God damn it. Where's the button? No. No. There's something about that's all that happens for me ever.
I'm grounded. That's all I know.
Yeah, that's what you guys all say.
Why did you
Too
reject
slow.
Izzy?
If you're gonna like cut me off just because of my sign, it's not someone who I necessarily want to date. Hi. A quick question.
Yes.
You like SpongeBob?
All right.
Are you attracted to each other?
Yeah.
It was the button lit up, and I was ready. I'm sorry. Hi. What's your name?
He's back.
Drew. I'm Olivia.
Nice to meet you. I like your tattoos.
Thanks.
Those are dope.
My best friend. She's a tattoo artist.
Oh, dope. I want to get a chest piece because I'm Panamanian, and I wanted to like signify some of that stuff.
Oh, cool.
This experience is really cool for you.
Yeah, it's been pretty fun. Yeah, I don't know. It's fun, just like all of us like talking about
Yeah.
everybody and stuff.
What's your type?
I mean, like whatever. Honestly, like I would say you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you'd be like my type.
That's dope.
Yeah.
I think you're cute.
Thanks.
For sure. And I say cute because like I feel like beautiful would be kind of cliche. So I feel like as a whole, like you're very aesthetically pleasing.
Oh,
Yeah, for
thanks.
sure. Once you're in a relationship, are you like an open relationship? Are you like committed? Like what is your...
Oh, if I were to be in a relationship, I would want to just be monogamous.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dope. Same.
Are you a jealous person?
I'm not.
No, I'm not either. I feel like I provide enough for them to come.
If there's somebody that I should be worried about, then
Then they were never yours to begin with,
yeah.
right? I'm not personally blamed. I'm having a
Okay,
good time.
cool.
Yes.
We're vibing?
We're vibing.
We're vibing. Okay.
Vibing. I feel that.
Nice.
Yo, did you go to college?
Yeah, I'm still in school right now.
How old are you?
21. I turned 22 on Wednesday. How old are you?
Andrew's age preference is
35.
21 to 35.
Damn, I'm snitching. Yeah, I went through a lot as a kid, so like, I think maturity is based off experience, not age. So, I've migrated from a different country, you know, my parents sacrificed a lot, so it shapes you a certain way.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I was gonna do the same thing, no cap. Nah,
Really?
nah, to like pretend, yeah. Now we're good. Would you like to go on a second date?
I'm young.
Yeah?
Congratulations. You
We outside.
I love you.
Face pump.
Oh, thank you.
Get out of here. Go. Ugh, humans.
So well, that was nice. Yeah, thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, turn on the bell for notifications, and I promise I will try to get another video soon. Or maybe I won't say I promise. I will try to get another video for y'all. So thanks, and bye bye.